It's Nial at Learn to Trade the Market. Welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to describe simple support and resistance. Now it might seem boring for those advanced members, but I want you to just think about something. Often as we progress through the markets we overlook the most simple trading methodologies and principles. These are universal principles which govern the markets. Support and resistance, the boundaries, the ranges, the value areas, whatever you want to call them, they govern everything the market does. And in this video I really want to stress that support and resistance traded as a pure strategy results in quite a few stop outs, but the risk reward can be huge. And I just want to give you one example of how they work, and then I'm going to show you a current setup unfolding that I've taken, which I have no idea what the result will be. It's very much a random outcome from support and resistance, and I'll show you why in a moment. Okay, if we just look at the left hand side of the chart, we'll see that there's a swing point right there. The market's moved down and breached, and then all of a sudden we have this pattern. It's a downtrend. Okay, so it's a 1 2 3 1 2 3. You've got the peaks, the troughs. Then you see the market retrace all the way back up to this point here, which coincides with the level here and here. See these levels right here? And then we have another relevance here, there. So what this is just looking at an intraday chart and seeing the pointy bits and where the market's actually reacted. It might seem messy, but it's actually quite simple if you look at the logic behind it. What I'll do is I'll remove these lines and then I'll show you a current setup that I'm looking at based on the fact that this level has acted as a relevant horizontal support and resistance line in the past. If we look at the chart right now, we can see the Dow's actually moved up into the 85, 80, 8600 zone right here in this vicinity. You can see that it was relevant at this point. It was irrelevant at this point, relevant at this point, relevant at this point. So all that's telling me is that the market's moved up to resistance. I've gone short, and I've got a random expectation the market's going to come off back towards these previous lows near 8180, 8200. The stop loss is obviously discretionary. It's up to the individual trader how much they want to risk. I've risked a small amount, hoping that the market will come back quite significantly, looking for around a 5 to 6 to 1 return on risk, and that's what a horizontal level can do for you. It defines risk at the level. All you do is place a stop on the other side of the level, and that would just be a convincing break somewhere up here, and we're looking for quite a significant move in the opposite direction. That's really the only setup that I've got going at the moment. I've taken that as a short. Obviously don't want you guys to be just trading off what I'm doing. I want you to do your own analysis. There's plenty of trades going on in the Euro, British Pound at the moment, all based on the same kind of principles. There hasn't been as many pin bars, inside bars forming as I would have hoped, so I'm taking advantage of my knowledge in these trending markets and just using what I know, apart from simple reversal signals, to get on the right side of the trend and look for selling opportunities on strength. And that's pretty much what I do when I don't have price action reversals and continuation patterns. I have to use simple support resistance to get me into trades with trends. That's all I've got for today. Any questions, please post on the forum. I'd like to remind you guys, I've launched my trading course. Would love for you to get your hands on it and find out what's in my head. I was only able to put all the information on paper and in videos properly into a paid member section. It took me around about a month to complete. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's on my website www.learntotradethemarket.com, and it's on the Forex course section. Alright, I'll talk to you soon and take care.